Good morning. Sterling Chu here, Second Growth Homes. Today we're going to bring the first log truck load out of the Barking Dog timber sale. This is our Kenworth self-loading log truck behind me. This is a real pivotal, this is a really important machine for this upcoming process here. This truck is going to do the bulk of the work for this order. It's going to yard logs, load logs, truck the logs, and unload the logs down at the landing. So it's going to be an awesome day today. My parents are both planning to come over, my dad and my mom, and they're going to drive the truck up. So I'm going to go ahead and start the truck, warm it up, and make sure everything's good for them. Load up the trailer. I'm going to go out and limb and buck and drop a few more trees in preparation for this truckload. They're going to come out, we're going to load up and get our first load of logs down to the landing. I'm so excited. Good morning. It's our first full day here at work at the Barking Dog timber sale. You can see the trees behind me that we cut down yesterday. I'll link that video below. Today is going to be a great day. Sun's just starting to come out. Beautiful morning. So we're going to limb and buck these trees behind me, and then my parents we're going to take this load, load it up on the self-loading log truck, and bring it down the mountain. We're not really going down the mountain. We're mainly going, it's not that far. Normally we're working up in the hills. Take this down to the landing. Okay, I'm going to take you on a little walk here out to the next trees we're going to fall. This is just a cool view. I hope you enjoy this. It's beautiful out here today. So here we are walking out the unit. Logging is just so cool, seeing these big beautiful trees laid out all nice, and these like perfect clean stumps. Check this out. Oh yeah. Awesome. So we're just gonna keep working this strip out here. Take another 3 and then we'll see. Oh yeah. Oh, this is going to be great. So I'll just show you one more time here. Here's a close to a perfect stump. So you've got a level face cut in the direction you want to go. You got 3 to 4 inches of holding wood. In this case, I actually cut too far on that side. You see that? Almost to 0. That was not perfect. You really want to be so careful to never cut through your holding wood like that. And then last thing is that the back cut is stepped up like this. So pretty good. Let's walk out this tree and I'll just show you what we're looking at here. Look how beautiful these logs are. Look at that. Woo-hoo-hoo. They're just so beautiful and straight, and that one under there is equally as nice. Just absolutely gorgeous. Sheesh. All right, well, let's go back. Get one here. We're gonna take that one, and then there's 2 right behind it. There's a couple of small ones in the way here. These dead alders and stuff, and in this case, they're small enough that it's actually safest to just dump that big spruce tree on them, and then you just run as fast and far as you can back to get out of the way in case they come flying back at you. And in this case, that's safer than if we tried to cut stuff. Like, you don't want to cut that thing. It might just come straight down on top of you as soon as you start cutting into it. You know, mushrooms and stuff out of there. So we're just gonna dump this big baby in here. Oh, beautiful out here today. It's beautiful. Let me get the camera set up here, and you're just gonna cut another dandy spruce tree. Look at that. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Those are nice. And then that one right there, it's got, where is it? Right there. Where the saw is. Can't see it in the photo. Yeah, right there. Okay, here we go. Might need a little more throttle. I was a little tired from pulling this baby. It's pretty good, I think. Oh, that was a nice one. All right, I see my dad. Let's go check in.
first rated day.
All right, Dad, what is that thing?
Well, it's their medium-sized one, their 220C.
So this is our new battery saw we're going to try here today. It's the Stihl MSA 220C. It's heavy. It looks great, huh?
The battery, fire it up and listen to it.
Do it.
You got it.
Yep. You have to try to cut down a full tree with it out there.
So, 50 feet. It's amazing how long these things last.
Right on. Oh, look at that thing. Maggie, I train Maggie to come. And when she comes, I always make her put her head through my legs, and then I scratch her butt. Yeah. And it's like it's not like Luke, you know, you're 10 feet away looking at you, you know. She comes when she comes right through, and then she just wiggles her butt like this.
Don't we have half a log truck load of black ones back there? They're smaller.
I don't think we got all of them yet. Thing seems to be working again. I don't know what happened.
Oh yeah, you got it, Mom.
Yep. I can just pull it up there. Look at this, it's just gonna keep on coming here. Wow, that truck really moves them right along. That Kenworth is the most powerful thing we have. Make a cut, hold up.
just had a great day here. We got just about all the trees yarded. I'll spin this around and show you. Super fun to work with my family again, and it was fun to pull some cable again. Usually we do the second growth logging all with the excavator, and what we used to do was all cable and pulleys and everything, so it's really fun to get a little bit of that going today. So here we are, looking down the road, and I'll just take you on a little walk through and show you the trees. We got a full truckload sitting here at the road, and I've got almost another full truckload cut and sitting in the forest right here. So we are well underway on the Barking Dog timber sale here at Second Growth Homes. So I'll just give you a slow walk through here. We got these two. That one still needs to be cleaned up. We got all the logs off the road through this stretch. There's the Kenworth looking sharp. My dad. You can see the size of these trees. They're just awesome. Not quite like the old growth, but I really, really like them. So here is our main pile going. We got 4 big ones in here. So this is like a really fun stage where you get the logs all lined up down the sides of the road. This is just looking great. And then we're gonna go ahead and load the truck up in the morning.
Leave the new electric saw here, or we gotta take the batteries home anyway.
I want to sharpen that baby up, and I'll do a little review. So there's my mom. Show us that saw, Mom. So here's our new electric still chainsaw. My dad put it through its paces today. I'm going to sharpen it. Good job. Thank you, Mom. So I'm going to, I'll sharpen that baby up and start with a full battery.
It's sharp.
Dad says it's sharp. I'll do like a full review of that this week over here, which will be really fun. I've been waiting for a long time for that. All right, well, if you'd like to come with me to complete this timber sale, harvesting and trucking all this timber, and then milling all this timber and building with it at the A-frame cabin, please remember to click on the like and subscribe buttons below, because that all happens right here on Second Growth Homes. We're gonna truck these logs, mill the logs, plane the lumber, transport the lumber via sea back to the A-frame cabin build, and we're gonna finish our construction project there. So thank you so much for coming along with me today. I just had a great day. It's beautiful.